So I'm in the shop and I'm thinking I need something smaller, faster, and more precise than my big tools. This is exactly what I'm going to talk about today. It's the Katerk Professional Rotary tool set, and after putting it to work, I can tell you it's one of those tools you end up reaching for way more than you expect. First thing that stands out is the power. It has a 160 watt motor and goes all the way up to 35,000 RPM with 6 speed settings. That means you can slow it down for careful engraving or crank it up for cutting and grinding without the tool feeling jumpy or unstable. It runs smooth, which is a big deal when you're doing detail work. It also comes with a flex shaft. Once you attach it, it feels more like a pen than a power tool. If you're carving wood, engraving, cleaning up edges, or doing anything detailed, the control you get here is excellent. You also get 155 accessories in the box, and they're compatible with Dremel style bits, which is huge. Grinding stones, sanding drums, cutting wheels, polishing pads, carving bits, it's all here. Everything comes neatly organized in a solid case so you're not digging through a drawer trying to find the right piece. For longer sessions, comfort matters, and Katerk did a good job here. The grip is ergonomic, ventilation keeps heat under control, and you've got protective shields included. It feels stable in the hand even when running at higher speeds, and that helps reduce fatigue during longer projects. It is a great option for makers, woodworkers, hobbyists, engineers, model builders, and DIYers. Whether you're engraving wood, shaping small parts, polishing metal, or doing fine detail work, it covers a lot of ground without taking up much space. Bottom line, it delivers pro-level accuracy and versatility at home. It's powerful, precise, and packed with accessories right out of the box. If you want one tool that can carve, cut, grind, sand, polish without constantly switching setups, it absolutely earns a place on the bench.